Hello, students. Today we are going to start October number 2024 paper. Okay, we'll be solving this paper today, 2024 October November. Uh, since this was the last paper with calculator, so we're going to save those questions, which are basically calculator based. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, this is question number one. These are first 8 terms of a sequence, right? C minus 3 minus 9 minus 15 minus 21 minus 27 minus 33 and k. Find the value of C and the value of k. So if you see here, this is an arithmetic sequence and the common difference is -6. Okay, so it's with minus 6 minus 6 minus 6 minus 6 minus 6 and minus 6. So that is going to be C. Minus 33 minus 6 is going to be minus 39, right? And this C is going to be minus, oh, sorry, minus 3 plus 3. Okay, so 3 minus 3, 3 minus 6 basically was equal to minus 3 here. So this is an arithmetic and its common difference is coming as 6. You just need to remember this. In question number 2, the diagram shows an isosceles triangle. So these two sides are equal, hence both the angles would be same. This is equal to 43 degrees. So x would be x plus 43 plus 43. What is sum of angles of a triangle? It's 180, right? So it's going to be 180 degrees. So x is equal to 180 minus 86. So it is going to be 94. X is equal to 94. Okay, in question number 3, these are the values. Complete each statement with a number from the list. Natural number, so you can take any natural number from here. 24 is the natural number here. Irrational number, square root of 3. Remember, square root of any prime number is an irrational number, so it's going to be under root 3. The reciprocal of 4. Now, reciprocal of 4 is going to be 1 by 4, that is equal to 0.25. 1 divided by 4, that is equal to 0.25. They have given this question, this value minus 1 by 4, just to make you people more confused. Okay, so it's going to be minus 1 divided by 4, right? Okay, next is the scatter diagram. The scatter diagram shows the number of rooms and number of people in each of 8 buildings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They have already drawn this. The number of rooms on y-axis and number of people on x-axis. So one of the building has 67 rooms. So this is 60, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 72. 62, 4, 6. Here would be 67. Write down the number of people in this building. Okay. We need to draw a line of best fit first. In this question, it's recommended that you draw a line of best fit first. Okay. So in order to draw line of best fit, the main idea is your 50% data must lie above and 50% data must lie below this line of best fit. Okay. So now we would use line of best fit for it's like this. And here you could estimate that these are number of people. So 72, 4, 6, 8. So 78 people are coming like this. So be careful while drawing this, lines. So 67 rooms. So 2, 4, 6, and 8. It's going to be like this. exactly here, and this is going to be 78. Okay. Next, uh, in another building, there are 42 people and 33 rooms. On scatter diagram, plot this point. So 42 and 33. 33 rooms and 42 people. So here are 42 people, and against it, we have 33 rooms. So 42 people, and this is 30, 32, 34. It's going to be here, somewhere here, right? This is the point you plot. 42 and 33. Next is going to be draw the scatter diagram. There are 45 people in a different building. Find the estimate of the number of rooms in this building. So 45 people. So if we have 45 people, 42, 44, 46, here is 45 people, and you have to see it. This is coming as 30 from this line of Westwood. So there are 30 people that are, uh, sorry, there will be 30 rooms in this building. What type of correlation is shown in this scatter diagram? So, well, when you talk about scatter diagram, if we have such value, this is known as a positive correlation. This is positive correlation. And if one entity is increasing and other is decreasing, this is known as negative correlation, right? So what we see here is this is positive correlation. So you would write it is a positive correlation. Okay. Now convert 7.5 meters square into centimeter square. So we know that in 1 meter there are 100 centimeter, and when we take square, it's 1 meter square is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeter square. So we are converting meter squares into centimeter square. We are moving from bigger unit to smaller unit, right? So 7.51 into 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you need to move this decimal 4 unit, right? So that is going to be 75100. 75100 centimeters square. You need to remember this. And also remember that whenever we are moving from bigger unit to smaller unit, we multiply. Next is the diagram shows the trapezium. Okay, the area of trapezium is given as 42. Find the value of x. We know that area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into height into sum of parallel sides. So area is given as 42, that is equal to 1 by 2 into height is fixed here, into sum of parallel sides, x. So this is going to be 3, 42 divided by 3, x plus 9.5, 14 minus 9.5 is equal to x. So that is going to be 4.5, right? So x is equal to 4.5. Without using calculator, so 2 divided by 7 into 11 divided by 6, we know that when we simplify it, so it's going to be 11 divided by 21. So this is the simplest form that we have to write. So it's going to be 11 divided by 21. Okay, when we talk about angles, the diagram shows a parallelogram. So work out the size of the smallest interior angle of the parallelogram. Suppose when we have these two straight lines, right? This is alpha and beta. So alpha plus beta must be equals to 180 degrees, right? It has to be 180 degrees. Just one a minute. Okay, alpha plus beta is equal to 180, so it's going to be 132 minus 2x plus 15 plus 5x is equal to 180, so that is equal to 3x plus 147 is equal to uh, 180. So 3x is equal to 180 minus 147. That would give us 3x is equal to 33 and x is equal to 11, right? So now you put 11 here. 132 minus 132 minus 22. It's going to be 92, and 15 plus 5x. 15 plus 11 fives are 55. That is equal to 70 degree. So they are asking for smallest interior angle. So this angle is coming as 70. Okay, done. Pardon. This is going to be 132 minus 22 is going to be 110. Yes, this is an important question here. It says that we have point ABC lie on a circle. ABCD is a square with area of 72. So let's assume side B x and x and x and x. So area is x square is equal to 72. So x is going to be under root 72. We can split it as 36 into 2. That is equal to 6 root 2, right? That is value of x. So it is 6 root 2, 6 root 2, 6 root 2, and 6 root 2. We're looking for the diagonal, right? So that would be uh, the hypotenuse of this square, this triangle BDC. So BD is equal to under root 6 root 2 square plus 6 root 2 square, right? It's going to be 72 plus 72, 144. That is equal to 12. So radius of this square is 6. Calculate the area. So you would say area is equal to pi r square. So that's going to be pi into 6 square. That is equal to 36 pi, right? That is centimeter square is the area of this square. No, sorry, area of the circle. We can skip this because now they are not going to ask such questions anymore. Factorize fully. So this is going to be 3 and x, right? You can take 3 and y. So 8x minus 3y, that is going to be 3x, 8x minus 3y, right? In this question, in B part, what we can take common is 7, I guess. Yeah. So 7 nines are minus 7 fours are. You see, we can further simplify this as well. It is going to be 7, and this is going to be 3x square minus 2y square. So that is going to be 7, 3x plus 2y, and 3x minus 2y. So 7 into 3x plus 2y into 3x minus 2y. Y is directly proportional to square root of x plus 1. So y is directly proportional to square root of x plus 1, right? We can write y is equal to k under root x plus 1, and this is going to be y is 10.5 is equal to k under root 8 plus 1, that is equal to 10.5 is equal to k, and 9, that would be 3. 10.5 by 3 is equal to k. It's going to be 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. So value of k is going to be 3.5. So they have given value of k, like you'll get marks for expressing value of k clearly. Okay. So now y is equal to 3.5 under root x plus 1. Find y when x is 1.6. So y is equal to 3.5 under root 1.56 plus 1. So this is going to be under root 2.56 times 3.5 is coming as 5.6. Okay. Okay. Next question is the region R satisfies these inequalities. Okay. Y is between -3 and 2. So y is -3. Since it is less than -3, we're just going to put like dots like this. Okay. So it's going to be a dotted line. Dotted line shows that -3 is not included and y is 2. So we're going to draw a full line. Okay. This is y equals to 2. Second is y is less than x minus 1. So when we draw y equals to x minus 1, it's always better to draw x-intercepts and y-intercepts. So this line cuts x-axis when y is 0. So that is x is equal to 1. And this line intersects y-axis at -1. That is always mx plus c. Okay. So that is, sorry, that is -1. So you're going to draw a straight line that passes through these points. Okay. It would be like this. Now, by drawing suitable straight lines, shade unwanted region. Okay, now the region what we need is between these two. So it's not required. Below this line, we are going to shade this and we are going to shade this, right? And for this line, y is less than. So unwanted region lies above this line. So you're going to shade this region as well. So this is the region R, what we are looking for. Okay. Now, next part is the diagram shows a speed time graph for 17-second acceleration during first. That's always rise over run. So it's 20 divided by 10. That is equal to 2 meter per second. Calculate total distance. Okay, remember in VT graph, total distance is given by area under the curve. So total area would be, this is a trapezium. So 1 by 2 into height into sum of parallel sides. This is 17. This is 7. Okay. So 7 plus 17. So it's 10 into, that is going to be 240. At the start of an experiment, there are 40,000 bacteria. The number of bacteria increased at a rate of 15% per hour. Calculate the number of bacteria after 3 hours. So this is simply a compound interest formula. Principal 1 plus R over 100 power n. So that was 40,000 in the beginning. 1 plus 1.5%. And how many hours? It's 3. So if we calculate, this is going to be 40,000 and that is going to be 60,835, right? 75 people were asked if they have a car and if they have a job. So this is the information. Only car and job, only job, and nor car, neither job. A person is chosen at random from those who have a car. So find the probability that this person also have a job. So this is basically kind of conditional probability. So you have chosen those who have a car. So how many people have a car? So that would be 60. And from this, how many of them have job as well? Find the probability that this person also have job. So probability of job and car. By the way, definition of conditional probability is conditional probability probability of A given B is always equal to probability of A and B divided by probability of B. So in this scenario, probability of job and car, so probability of car and probability of job and car. So if you write to 320 and 317, you better write everything in simplest form. Okay, here. Question number 17. So we use the property that angle at center is always twice the angle at circumference. Okay. So angle subtended by this arc would be this. So if this is 64, this has to be 128, double of it, right? Now, since this is 90, this is 90, and this is a quadrilateral BACB. So sum of x and 128, they are always equal to 180. So x plus 128 is equal to 180. So x is going to be 180 minus 128 is 52, right? We're using first property, what we have learned in circles, geometric properties of circles. So if this is x, this is 2x. Done? We can skip this for now. It's no more coming in calculator portion. Yes, shade the region in which A union C. So this is A and this is C. Intersection common with B complement. So this is not required. So the only thing left is then this one. Yes. Now, the next question is a solid made from cylinder and a hemisphere both are of radius 4.3. The cylinder has a length of 11.9. Sorry. Calculate the volume of the solid. So it is composed of two objects. So that is volume is equal to uh, 2 by 3 pi r cube by r cube, because this is hemisphere. This volume is for full sphere, okay? Plus pi r square into h. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. And if you put the whole thing in calculator, that gives you 857.7. Okay, calculate total surface area. So for total surface area, we have curved surface area, and base area. This is pi r square, this is 2 pi rh, and this is 2 pi r square, because total surface area of sphere is, so it is going to be 2 pi r square, radius was 4.3, 4.3 square plus 2 pi 4.3, 11.9 plus pi r square. So this whole thing is going to be approximately equal to 496. Done? See, when we have to find surface area, it's like this, and the base. Base, curved, and the curve of hemisphere. Find the expression for the nth term of the sequence. Okay, first of all, let's see what type of sequence it is. So it is geometric sequence. So geometric sequence is basically AR and minus 1. Geometric sequence, by the way, is a sequence having a common ratio between two consecutive terms. So it's going to be AN equals to A R n minus 1. You can simplify it. by writing it is 7 power n minus 2. So this is going to be 7 raised to the power n minus 2. Okay. Next part is expand and simplify. So what you always do is this. You can keep x plus 3 as it is times 2x square plus x plus 10x plus 5. So x plus 3, 2x square plus 11x plus 5. And now you multiply this. That is going to be 2x cubed 5x 6x square plus 15. So that is going to be 2x cubed plus 17x 38x plus 15. Right? Okay, next is question number 22. A is the point 17 and 9, and B is the point 23 and 39. Find the equation of perpendicular bisector of the line AB. So this is A and B, and this is perpendicular bisector, what we are looking for. For that, we need a midpoint and slope, right? So for midpoint, it's going to be 17 plus 23 by 2, and then it's going to be 9 plus 39 divided by 2. So midpoint is going to be 40 divided by 2, it's 20, and 39, 48 divided by 2, it's 24. So 20 and 24 is the midpoint of AB. And then what is slope of AB? So slope of AB is going to be 39 minus 9 over 23 minus 17. Minus 17, that is going to be 30 divided by, it's going to be 8. Wait, it's going to be 6. So slope is equal to 5, and this slope is going to be minus 1 by 5, right? So now equation of perpendicular bisector, so that is equal to y equals to mx plus c. So y is equal to minus 1 by 5x plus c. It's passing through this, so y is 24 is equal to minus 1 by 5x plus c. 24 plus 4 is equal to c. Y equals to minus 1 by 5x plus 28. This is your equation of perpendicular bisector. Similarity, the small box is mathematically similar to this. The volume of the large box is this times greater than the volume of the small box. So if this is V, this is going to be V into 1 plus 72.8 over 100. The small box has length is, find the value of x. So it's always V1 over V2 is equal to length 1 over length 2 cube if two objects are similar. So V, and this is going to be 1 plus 72.8 is equal to x, sorry, 3.5 divided by x cube. So x cube is equal to 3.5 cube 1 plus 72.8 over 100. And then in final, you can take cube root on both sides. It is going to be 4.2. So that's it from today. See you in my next video. We'll be discussing paper 4 of October, November 2024. Okay. So if you have any queries, write it from like in comment box so that we may discuss further questions. And if you have any other questions, you can always share it so that we may work on those. See you. Take care.